Welcome to Oriental Public School Preschool Learning Videos. Today we are going to learn names of animals.
Which animal is this? Sheep. Yes, this is a sheep. Which animal is this? Cow. Good job, this is a cow. Do you know this one? Horse. This is a horse. Which animal is this? Donkey. Great! This is a donkey. Do you know this one? Hen. Yes, this is a hen. Which animal is this? Rabbit. Good job, this is a rabbit. Do you know this one? Duck. This is a duck. Which animal is this? Ox. This is ox. Which animal is this? Buffalo. This is buffalo. Which animal is this? Goat. This is a goat. Do you know this one? Llama. This is llama. Which animal is this? Alpaca. This is alpaca. Which animal is this? Mouse. Good job. This is a mouse. Do you know this one? Cat. This is a cat. Which animal is this? Fowl. Yes, this is a fowl. Do you know this one? Turkey. This is a turkey. Which animal is this? Chick. This is a chick. Do you know this one? Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Do you know this one? Rooster. This is a rooster.
Hope you have learned all the animals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.